Now we study numerical problems based on electrostatics. Note करो बेटा. If x is 1, 2, 4 up to infinite, up to infinite. First point, a large number of charges, of plus q, are placed respectively at above points second point. Another charge minus q is placed alternately full stop. Determine the net EFI. At origin. ओके. तो देखिए, बेस्ड ऑन electrostatics solution. First part, one, 4, 8 meter up to infinite, positive charge q placed respectively at given points from question. Your study point, origin. According to question, determine the net EFI. EFI means of electric field at origin. You know that intensity of electric field is a vector quantity. तो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी पर वेक्टर क्वांटिटी के लिए हमें डायरेक्शन मेंशन करना होता है. दैट्स क्लियर. You know that electric lines outwards from stationary positive charge away from the steady point. First charge, positive charge, electric lines away from the steady point. Second, also positive, away from the steady point. Third, away from the steady point, and so on. Direction of EFI due to all charges are in same direction, then their resultant is equal to the algebraic sum of individual quantity. E is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 up to finite. That's clear. 1 kq upon r square. R means distance of steady point from corresponding charge. Distance of steady point from first charge 1 square 1. kq upon distance of steady point from second charge 2 meter 2 square 4. kq upon r square 4 meter 4 square up to infinite. Taking common kq 1 upon 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16. क्या बात नहीं, infinite. Okay, it is EP. First term 1 common ratio, second term divided by first term sign are positive, r equal to 1 by 4. Sum of infinite terms a upon 1 minus r. A upon 1 minus r. E is equal to aq 1 upon 1 minus r. तो सॉल्व करेंगे, क्या आएगा बेटा, 4k upon. That's clear. Second point, negative charge minus q placed alternately 1 to 4 8 meter up to infinite. Q minus q minus q. देखिए फर्स्ट चार्ज पॉजिटिव चार्ज EFI, electric lines outwards from positive charge away from the steady point. Second charge negative, electric lines towards at negative. E1 KQ upon in your mind R square. R means distance of a steady point from first charge 1. Second, due to negative charge, negative sign of this charge emerged include in the direction of E2 R square 2 meter, 2 square 4. E1 and E2 according to directive property both are in opposite direction. The resultant difference greater quantity में से तो आपको देखेंगे इनमें से कौन सा ग्रेटर है E1. E1 is greater than, so the resultant 1 minus third charge positive charge EFI at origin due to third charge away from the steady point. Fourth negative charge inwards E3 AQ upon R square, distance of a steady point from third charge 4 meter. 4 due to negative charge, negative sign emerge in the direction, distance 8 meter, 64 R square. E3 and E4 both are in opposite direction. E3 greater than 4, then their resultant minus E4. E3 minus E4. Okay. Finally, net EFI equal to 1 minus E3 minus E4 up to infinite. You know that E2 due to negative charge, E4 due to negative charge. So this negative sign by डायरेक्टिव प्रॉपर्टी की वजह से आया है. ये नेगेटिव साइन चार्ज के नेगेटिव साइन की वजह से नहीं आया है, इसलिए मैंने आपको यूजुअली बताया है 1 and E2 both having different magnitude and opposite direction. Magnitude of E1 is greater than E2, their resultant E1 minus E2. Similarly, E3 is greater than E4, their resultant E3 minus E4. Finally, KQ taking common 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 minus 1 upon 64 up to infinite CP. First term 1 common ratio minus 1 by 4 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 sum of infinite term A upon 1 minus R. E is equal to KQ A minus 1 upon minus R. R is equal to minus 1 by 4. So plus 1 by 4 KQ upon 5. That's clear? Okay. Thank you. बंद कर इसको.